Black Cat Crafts, the channel that helps you personalize your Halloween village. We're doing episode 1 of Toxic Waste Cave. The completed piece is here. This episode is going to focus on the bottom, the wire sides, and the top. So Marina Rivera, this show is for you. Our goal will be to make a strong structure, one that can hold up all your heavy pieces. The first step, gather all the things you'll need, including the plywood boards, the threaded metal rods, washers, nuts, hand tools, skull heads, and maybe a helper. I used a tattooed man. All right, so step 2, we're going to make holes in the board for those metal rods. He's a practical joker, isn't he? All right, so like I said, make holes. It's important to keep them equally distant from the edges and in the same place for the bottom and the top. Otherwise, your metal rods won't be straight. And while having things a little funky, a little cattywampus is totally on brand for a spooky town, you want it to be strong, and so strong is straight. So step 3. Now we're going to assemble. You'll need to make sure those washers are sandwiching the board, and then you screw on the nuts. So first you do the bottom and repeat the process with the top, but don't forget those skulls. So prepare them by making a hole big enough in the bottom to get your tools through, and then one through the top. This one's important. It's got to be small enough that the rod can pass through, but not so large that the nut will go through. So you can put it on just like you're seeing here. You'll want enough coming out the top that you can put the plywood on top of it after you put the washer on. And then you'll want to screw the nuts on top of it. So that's what I'll be showing you next. Pretty easy stuff. This is such a sturdy, strong project. I could probably stand on it if I dared. You do see some extra bits in there. I actually reworked an existing piece that I was creating. I wanted to make it actually 2-level. This was originally going to be a single-level piece, and I said, no, this needs to be a cave. So there are extra videos in this series that show you how to make the whole thing. The epoxy water that has lights actually under it that move and spin, the lighted toxic waste, the kraken, everything that you see here. I handmade that gargoyle. That was a labor of love. But it's pretty epic when I'm done, and I want to share with you how I did it. So check out my other videos. Give my channel a like. Those videos will be dropping at least once a week up until Halloween. And share it with anyone else who absolutely loves Halloween and loves their Halloween villages. Thanks for stopping by.